Oh, sorry. I just not wish weren't clipped in right. There you go. Right then. We've got a good mate of mine, Greenian, got chronic lower back pain because he's a little office worker and a big gym lad, to be fair. So it's not always a good combination. Ready for another adjustment today, so we're going to see what flags up. Push Tercy then. Put the toes on the bench for me. And then push again. And relax the feet. Definitely close chain. Push again. No. Push there. Yeah. Push again. And again. So C2 on the left. Push there. No. Push again. No. Push there. Push there. Yeah. Left sacrum. Okay. And then push again. And then you've got L3 to the right. Go onto your back foot. Let the head drop. And go left C2. Just there.
Another beauty again.
Beautiful. Come on, your side facing this way. There. Roll you towards me. Right, breathe in and breathe out. Push up. Push again. And again. No. Push there. Okay. So just let the head drop.
Oh,
Oh. Every time. Oh. Just push up. Nice. And then point the toes on. And then push. Yeah. Good stuff. Alright. Put some blocks in for you. Yeah, nap time, yeah.